Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So we're looking at removing the door card, so this entire door panel. So if you need to repair a switch or get to the speaker, or you just need to get into the door lock or something else, we're going to get this whole panel off so you can work behind it. Okay, so there's 4 lots of screws. There's one behind here, I think there's one in here, and then there's 2 underneath here, and then a load of clips. So we'll get this cover off first, so just behind here. So this cover on the front of the handle, you might just want to get a plastic trim removal tool and just pry that off. So let's get our trim removal tool. And this, you can see, just comes out just in here. Let's see what size it is. Oh, it's a tiny one. Have we got that? Yep, so it's a T20. There's a screw just in here. Let's get that undone. What we'll do, we'll just make sure we put all these screws to one side. Okay, so that's that one undone. We'll work on this one next. Okay, next we've got to get this speaker cover off because we need to get this black plastic painted bit out of the way. Oh, there you go. So literally that's just clipped on. Then, I understand this comes off next. So release that at the front and then pull that out the way. So that's just held on with 2 clips into there. Okay. So we're not looking for the screw yet. I remember now. We push this up and out. So there's a little metal tang. So we're getting this out the way. So in here, there's a little metal tang you just push in. And you're able to lift that out. So it's just pressing on that so it's easier to get this out of the way. Okay, unplug that. And in here, you can see there's just another screw. Assume it's going to be the same size. It is. Okay, and then we'll go to the bottom of the door card next. Okay, so let's bring you underneath. So just here, there's a little cutout with a screw, and then over at this end as well. So we're just going to get those removed. And again, I assume they'll be the same size. Okay, let me just undo that as well. It's just on this back corner of the door card. Another one out. Okay, and then just here there's another one. That's that 4th screw out. Okay, so the door panel itself, it's held on with a load of plastic clips now. So what we're going to do, we're going to tap this bottom corner, get this tool in. You can see already we've got some movement. So now we can get our hands under it. We should be able to literally work along. It would help if you had a second person to hold the door card. If not, I'll switch to the other side. Hold it myself. Ooh. Now I doubt this has ever been off, so I think sometimes the first time it all comes off, the clips can be a little bit tight. So hopefully now, yep, we're free. Across the top, where the window drops down, there's some pushing clips, I think. So again, let's have a look. I think it's just brute force again. Yep. So it's just brute force. Okay. We'll show you the back of the door card now. Right. So if you see the back of the door card here, I think we're probably going to be best to undo this lock by coming into here. So let's put the locking mechanism out of the way. So you bend this down. From what I understand, this comes out. Might need just a flathead screwdriver. might be easier. So that was clipped on. Let me just show you. Down here, that was clipped on. That's literally just lifted off. You can unclip that, so you don't need to mess around with this lock up here. Then we've just got this wiring loom. So we just trace this back. What I'm going to do is just lift this off the floor because I don't want to damage the door card. Put it in the car and we'll show you. So, easiest thing to do, cable comes in. I think we just disconnect everything. Making sure we don't damage anything along the way. That's that out. That's that out. And then we've just got to release it here. Is there any sort of clip? Doesn't look to be, so I think you just disconnect that. That's your door card now disconnected from the car. Okay, so that's your door card removed. Now to refit it, obviously you just reverse the steps that we've just run through. I'm going to go and do the other side, but I won't do it on camera because it's exactly the same as the way we've just done this side. So if you found today's video useful, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get alerts every time we upload new content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.